Knowledge helps us to reach our destination, provided we know what the destination is. Let me share a story with you. An ancient Indian sage was teaching his disciples the art of archery. He put a wooden bird as the target and asked his disciples to aim at the eye of the bird. He asked the first disciple to describe what he saw. He said, "I see the trees, the branches, the leaves, the sky, the bird and its eye." The sage asked this disciple to wait. He then asked the second disciple the same question, and he replied, "I only see the eye of the bird." The sage said, "Very good, now shoot." The arrow went straight and hit the eye of the bird. We all know unless we focus, we cannot achieve our goal. When you don't know where you are going, any road will take you there. It's hard to focus and concentrate, but it's a skill that can be learned. The road to your dreams isn't always easy to navigate, sometimes dotted with mountains to climb, obstacles to overcome, and hard, mind-numbing times that will make you feel like quitting. Just remember this: if you get lost along the way, anything worth having doesn't come easy. So don't turn back around. Don't give up. Thank you.